In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails to use in workflows in HubSpot, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2024. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to streamline your communication strategy using HubSpot's powerful tools. Let's dive straight into it. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. After you've logged into your HubSpot account, you will be directed to the HubSpot home. This is your main dashboard where you can access various features of HubSpot. Now, to start working on your email automation, focus your attention on the main menu. You're going to need to click on Marketing, which is located there. Once you've clicked on Marketing, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to click on Email. This is where you can manage and create all your email campaigns, and it's the hub for all your email marketing activities. In the email section, locate the Create Email button, which is usually quite prominent and easy to find. Click on it to begin the process of crafting your automated email. Now here's an important step. Once you're in the email creation interface, you need to specify the type of email you're creating. So select Automated. This option is crucial as it will allow the email to be easily integrated into your workflows and sent automatically when triggered by specific user actions or predefined conditions. After selecting Automated, it's time to move on to the next stage. You will see a Next button in your email editor's user interface. Click on it to proceed further in setting up your automated email. At this point, you've navigated through the essential setup stages for initiating an automated email in HubSpot. You've successfully reached the configuration phase where you can customize the content, design, and settings of your automated email. Remember, the beauty of using HubSpot for automated emails lies in its ability to send out emails triggered by specific criteria, ensuring you stay connected with your audience seamlessly. In summary, with these simple steps, you've unlocked an effective way to utilize HubSpot's automated email feature to enhance your marketing workflows. This can significantly improve your communication strategy, making sure your audience always receives timely and relevant information. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this automation process to be a valuable addition to your marketing toolkit. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher. Happy marketing!